Hello guys, today I'm going to show how to install Google Earth Pro in your desktop. So first of all, you have to go to Google Earth Chrome. You have to type download Google Earth Pro free full version. Okay, now go to search. I have already pasted link of required software download site on my comment section on my bio of YouTube channel for this video. So I'm going to click on Earth version Google Earth. Okay, so from here Google Earth Pro on desktop, click over here. Now here is download Earth Pro on desktop option, so go with it. Now click on accept and download. You can read the guidelines before downloading Google Pro. As it is exe file, you can even install it by double click on it. So click on yes. Take some time. It is installing now. Now installation has been completed. So I'm going to check whether it has been installed properly or not. I'm going to write Google Earth on source. So Google Earth Pro. So it has been successfully installed in my PC. By this way you can easily install Google Earth. So I would like to cordially request, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.